Okay, so here is a foldable wireless fast charger from BlitzWolf. You can buy this on Banggood.com, and I will put links down below in the description text. I will first do an unboxing of this, and then we will see some info and facts and specification about this after the unboxing. So start with the unboxing then. Kind of nice packaging. And open this to see what's in the box. Nice. Here we have some stickers. And here we have a user manual. Pretty nice. Good to have. What's more in the box then? Here we have a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A. So this is to connect it to a power plug or a computer, for example. So you can have some power to it. Really nice. And here is the charger itself. Feels quite good. A bit plastic though. And this is how you fold it, like that, as you can see. And you can also charge the phone in this way, but you have to have this indicator visible because the phone should be above this line here, as you can see. So you have to have the phone above the line. Okay, so looks nice. So for example, this phone is compatible, the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. You can charge it like this, or you could charge it like this. If you have to, or like this. So let's connect this. So now I've connected the charger to a power plug. So let's put my Samsung Galaxy S8 on the charger, and as you can see, it starts to charge wirelessly. So that's pretty nifty, as you can see. And I could charge it like this, as I said, while putting it like this. The indicator should be visible, and you see it starts to charge. And let's see if it also can charge it in landscape mode, like this. Like that. As you can see, you have two indicators here, and when in landscape mode, you should just connect one of them, like that, or like that. Pretty nifty. And of course you can also have it in landscape mode, standing, like this. You can have the phone like that in landscape mode. And this should be compatible also with the iPhone 10, of course, and other Samsung Galaxy devices with wireless charging compatibility. So a pretty nifty charger. So let's see some info, facts and specification about it. And as I said before, you will find links down below in the description text where you can buy this nice charger. Pretty nifty. Okay, so here we have the Foldable Wireless Fast Charger from BlitzWolf, sold by Banggood.com. And here we have different images on how you can charge it, as you can see. Pretty nifty. And down below here we have some specifications. As you can see here, it's a 10 watt or 7.5 watt or 5 watt wireless fast charger. So you can charge it with the iPhone 10, for example, or a Samsung Galaxy S8, S9 or Note 9, Note 8 and so on. Pretty nifty. And here we can see more specs and so on. You can charge it in landscape mode or in portrait mode, as you can see. Looks nice together with a laptop. And here is how you should charge it. As you can see here, you should put the phone above the indicator to charge it when in folded mode. And here we have some info about the indicator. Blue when charging, no lamp, no indicator when it's fully charged, and red flashing when something is wrong. And you should not put metallic or other obstacles on the charger itself. And you can use a cover or a case that is 3 mm or thinner, not above 3 mm. And here is how they have built this one. And here you can see how it is folded and so on. And here we see an iPhone 10. Pretty nifty. Here you can see all the Samsung phones that is compatible and all the Apple iPhones, LG, Google, Nokia, HTC and so on. As you can see, it supports many phones. Hopefully I also can charge my coming iPhone XS Max that I will get next week. We will see. Okay, so this is really nice, as you can see. And you have also a deal at the moment at the Banggood for BlitzWolf products. As you can see, 70% off up to. So that's pretty nifty. I will put this link down below in the description text too. Pretty nice. At the moment, very good deal. And here we have BlitzWolf site. Nice. So I will put all these links down below in the description text. Go check them out. Okay, bye.